Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depend on where for they watch this channel. This na Mom and Angel TV. My brother, my sister, today I bring another ogbonge one when you feel learn from. My brother, my sister, say my show now how they make baby fruits for house. You don't need to go supermarket, go they buy those one where be say they don't do. You don't know what they take do one. So it's very easy for you to do for house, especially when you get small baby for hand, when they from 6 to 1 year old, 6 months to 1 year. So me, I normally they do my own for house. I know they buy for shop. I go buy the ingredients when I need. And I do it for us very easy, my brother and my sister. This one are the apple, and this one are banana. Very easy. This apple, what you need to do? You buy and you wash them, make clean. Then you take away the body, all this back, you move on, my brother, my sister. You take and come you parboil them to the shape one you like. And then you add your banana inside. This one are my hand blender. If you get this hand blender for any shop of your choice, any shop, it did different shop and a different grade. So cheap one day, expensive one still day. So now it be that one. So now what we go do? You just need to peel the banana. Just take away the back. We'll move on. We'll move on like the way they do one. So very easy. And first of all, before you do one, your bowl must be clean. This is your bowl. You make them clean. And you wash your hand because now baby fruits. So that any germs not go there inside. Okay? So now what we go do? Now to just put the banana inside the apple. Because already, I don't already parboil my apple. Understand? This is my apple. I don't already parboil them. Okay? Just put the banana inside small. Like this. Like this. Okay? Like this. After you don't put them inside. Okay? Then what you need to do next? You take your blender. This is your blender. Then you blend together. Very easy. Very easy to do. Very easy. You can see. Very easy. It's more better than the one they buy for shop. Very easy. You blend. You blend. You blend. Very easy. If you don't have this hand blender, you can also use normal blender. That's normal blender, which everybody they use for house. If you use that one, no problem. But for me, I prefer to use this one separate for my baby. Because like this one, I know they use that for any other thing. Not just for fruit. Anything we concern baby now they use for. So it depends on what you need, what you like to use. So just blend that. Blend that for smooth. Okay? Now the baby not will see seed inside. Blend that. You're good to go. Finish. Okay? This is it. Very easy. Very easy. My daughter, in fact, my daughter, she so much like this fruit when I make them by myself. If I buy the one for shop, she know they always like them. Understand? So, if you do one for your baby, believe me, you go enjoy them. You will even thank me, say, it's more better, very rich. Then you will not add anything like extra sugar or whatever. It's just natural. And it will make the baby healthy. The baby go do okay. Okay? So this is it. If you like the video, please subscribe, share and like. Please, if you like my video, please subscribe and share. Comment down below what you think about it. If you like it, do it for your children, your child, your baby. It's very healthy, very, very good. Okay, see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Thank you if you've subscribed. Thank you if you've not subscribed. God bless you and bye for now.